Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox HappyMod. First, understand that HappyMod is a third-party application store providing modified versions of various apps and games. It's designed to offer features like unlimited resources or unlocked content, which are not present in the original applications. We will cover the entire process, from downloading HappyMod to finding and installing a Roblox mod. Remember, using third-party applications always carries inherent risks, so proceed with awareness and caution throughout these steps. To get HappyMod, begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for the official HappyMod website. Download the HappyMod APK file directly from there. Before you can install it, you'll need to adjust a setting on your device. Go into your security settings and enable the option to install from unknown sources. Once that's done, find the downloaded APK file, usually in your Downloads folder, and tap it to start the installation. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, and HappyMod should be ready in under a minute. Now that HappyMod is installed, open the application. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type Roblox into it. This will display several modified versions of the game. It's a good idea to check the user ratings and comments for each mod to gauge its reliability and functionality. Once you've chosen a mod that suits your needs, simply tap the download button. After the download is complete, tap Install and grant any requested permissions. The installation process typically takes a couple of minutes, depending on your device. With the modded Roblox installed, you can now launch it. You'll find the icon either within the HappyMod app itself or in your device's main application drawer. Open it up and start exploring the new features and functionalities that your chosen mod provides. Remember, while these mods can offer exciting advantages, using modified applications can sometimes carry risks, including potential issues with your official game account. Always be mindful of these possibilities and consider them carefully as you enjoy your modded Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.